Hi friends, I am Rajat. So in this video we will talk about the topic of chemistry, which is the chemical reactions. Chemical reaction is a very important topic of chemistry because as you can see that chemistry is filled up of chemical equations and chemical reactions. So you can say that this chapter is the basic of chemistry. So before we start with the chapter, we will start with an inspiring thought. So the inspiring thought for today is leaders think and talk about the solutions. Followers think and talk about the problems. In this thought, we are clear about the difference between a leader and a follower. Leader always think and talk about the solution of any situation. But a follower always think and talk about the problem of any situation. So we should focus on finding the solution of any situation, not on the problems. So let's quickly get started with our topic of today, which is of the chemistry, and the name of the chapter is the chemical reaction. So what is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction when one or more substance undergo a chemical change with the release and absorption of energy. These changes are called the chemical reaction. This process is known as the chemical reaction. So now what are the types of chemical reaction? There are mainly 4 types of chemical reaction. These 4 types are: the first type of chemical reaction is the combination reaction. From the name only you can see that combination reaction. Combination means the combination of two things. When two things combine to form a single thing, that is known as the combination. So the first type is the combination reaction. The second type of the chemical reaction is the decomposition reaction. Decomposition. Decomposition means the dividing of anything, the breakdown of anything, decompose. This reaction is the decomposition reaction when a thing breaks down, when it is divided. Now the third type of chemical reaction. The third type of chemical reaction is the displacement reaction. In the displacement reaction, the elements change their place in the chemical equation. That type of chemical reaction is known as the displacement reaction. Fourth type of chemical reaction is the double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction, in the double displacement it is same as the displacement reaction. The elements and compounds change their position. Now we will talk about their definition, example, etc. So let's move further. So friends, the first type of chemical reaction is the combination reaction. Combination reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which two or more elements or compounds combine to form a single product. Single product means a single compound. I will repeat the definition, that when two or more elements or compounds combine to form a single compound, such type of reactions are called the combination reaction. Now we will understand it with the help of examples. The first example of the combination reaction is carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Here carbon and oxygen are the reactants. Means these carbon and oxygen combine to form the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the product and carbon and oxygen are the reactants. Next example is the potassium plus oxygen give potassium oxide. Third example is the sodium plus oxygen gives sodium oxide. Here also potassium and oxygen is the reactants and potassium oxide is the product which has been formed by adding these both reactants. And here is the same in the third example. Now, in the combination reaction, reaction can take place between two element and a compound, and it can also take place in the two compounds. So this was the definition and example of the combination reaction. Let's move further. So friends, the next type of chemical reaction is the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which a single compound breaks down into two or more elements or compounds. Means here is a single compound and it breaks down into two or more elements or compounds. Like in the previous combination reaction, there is two or more elements combined to form a single compound. They add to form a single compound. But in this type of chemical reaction, a single compound breaks down into two or more elements or compound. Now let's discuss the types of decomposition reaction. There are three types of decomposition reaction. The first type of decomposition reaction is the thermal decomposition reaction. This is a type of chemical reaction which takes place in the presence of heat. When the heat is provided to it, this chemical reaction takes place. Now the example for the thermal decomposition reaction. So here is the first example. Lead dioxide is heated. This triangle symbol means it is heated. So the lead dioxide is heated to decompose lead monoxide plus oxygen. Here upper arrow indicates that oxygen is a gas. As you know that gas is upside. So this upper arrow indicates upside, the gas is upside. So oxygen is a gas in this chemical equation. Now the second type of decomposition reaction, that is the photolysis reaction. Photolysis reaction is a type of chemical reaction which takes place in the presence of light. Now the example for the photolysis reaction. Example is hypochlorous acid is provided with sunlight, decomposed to form hydrochloric acid plus oxygen. The upper arrow means oxygen is a gas. So this was the example for the photolysis reaction. Now the third type of decomposition reaction. Third type of the decomposition reaction is the electrolysis reaction. Electrolysis reaction takes place in the presence of electric current. Means when the electric current is provided to the compound, it decomposes to form two or more elements. So here is the example. Water is provided with electric current. When electric current is provided to water, it decomposes to form hydrogen plus oxygen. Here hydrogen and oxygen both are the gases. That's why the upper arrow is in the front of them. So these were the types of decomposition reaction and their example. So let's move to the next type of chemical reaction. हो गया? So friends, the next type of chemical reaction is the displacement reaction. Displacement reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which an element takes the place of another element in a compound. Means one element is there, it will take the place of another element in a compound. These type of reactions are called the displacement reaction. Now the examples for the displacement reaction. Examples for the displacement reaction is, the first example here it is zinc plus copper sulfate gives zinc sulfate plus copper. Then is the second example. In second example it is iron plus copper sulfate gives iron sulfate plus copper. Now the third example, sodium plus water gives sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen, and hydrogen is a gas, upper arrow means gas. Okay, now how displacement reaction take place in these chemical reaction. Here you can see that zinc plus copper sulfate, and here it is zinc sulfate, means this is an element and it take the place of copper. Copper is an element, so this element takes the place of another element. Zinc sulfate and copper is at the side. So this is a displacement reaction. Here also is the same. Iron plus copper sulfate gives iron sulfate. Here iron also takes the place of copper. This element takes the place of another element in an compound. So these are the example for the displacement reaction. Now let's move to the next chemical reaction. So friends, the fourth type of chemical reaction is the double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which the constituents of the compound mutually change their radicals to form two different compounds. Like in the previous type of chemical reaction, the displacement reaction, a element change its position to form a new compound. But in the double displacement reaction, all the elements change their position to form new compounds. Such type of reaction are called the double displacement reaction. Now let's discuss the examples for double displacement reaction. The first example is barium chloride plus sodium sulfate gives barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Other example is zinc oxide plus hydrochloric acid gives zinc chloride plus water. So these were the example. Now how double displacement reaction take place in these chemical reactions. So here is the barium chloride. See, barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Barium sulfate and the sodium chloride. Sodium with the chloride. See how these elements change their position. Barium changes position, it gone with the sulfate, barium sulfate, and sodium with the chloride, sodium chloride. In the other example, it is zinc oxide. Here it is zinc chloride plus water. So zinc chloride and the H2O. Here zinc is with the chloride. So here it also zinc chloride. Zinc is an element, it changes its position to form a new compound. Here zinc chloride is a new compound. And the hydrogen with the oxygen to form water. So hydrogen and water, water is a new compound. So these were the example for the double displacement reaction. So friends, now we will talk about the endothermic and the exothermic reactions. So what is endothermic reaction? The reaction in which the energy is absorbed. Such type of reactions are called the endothermic reaction. You can see from the word endothermic. Endothermic means taking inside when the energy is absorbed. Means the reaction in which the energy is absorbed taking inside. Such type of reactions are called the endothermic reaction. Now what are the examples for the endothermic reaction? Examples here is dissolution of ammonium chloride in water. Dissolution of ammonium chloride in water. This is an example of endothermic reaction. Second example here it is producing sugar by photosynthesis. Producing sugar by photosynthesis. So these were the example for the endothermic reaction. Now next is the exothermic reaction. The reaction in which the energy is given out. Such type of reactions are called the exothermic reaction. The energy is given outside. It is released. Exothermic means when the energy is released. Such type of reactions are called the exothermic reactions. Now the example for the exothermic reaction. Example are mixing water with calcium chloride. Mixing water with calcium chloride. This is an example for exothermic reactions. Second example is mixing sodium sulfite and bleach. Mixing sodium sulfite and bleach. So these were the example for the exothermic reaction. So friends, in this video we talked about what is chemical reaction, what are the types of chemical reaction, combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and also the endothermic and the exothermic reactions. My next video will be on the symbols of the elements, because as you know that most of the elements in chemistry are written in short form, and if you don't know that which short form represent which element, it will be very hard for you to understand the chapter. Sorry, I should make that video earlier, but surely my next video will be on the symbols of all the elements. So stay connected with me. That's all for this video. Thank you.